What's up people, welcome to Encash channel. In today's video I'll be showing you how you can make $3,500 every blessed day from the comfort of your home. All you need is a laptop or an Android device with an internet connection. You don't need a skill, you don't need to possess any special quality or whatsoever. I'll be showing you step by step how you can make $3,500 every blessed day, and this money will be wired into your account. I mean, it will be wired directly into your account. Now I need the kind of people who are tired of their financial status and they want to step up their earning. They want to pay bills, they want to buy luxury cars, they want to go on vacation, they want to buy houses. These are the kind of people I want to watch this video, and make sure you act. All I want from you, turn on the notification button on this channel, like our videos, and make sure you subscribe so that you'll be watching our videos frequently and you'll be receiving our videos anytime we post videos on how to make money. Thank you very much. Now this is how it works. Just follow me step by step. Let's go. First of all, you will type www.printify.com. Now you don't have to worry. I'll display all the link in the comment section. You can just go there directly and log in from there. Now Printify, wow, we are here. This is the domain. Here you can see create and sell custom product. Now this is what you'll be doing here. You customize shirt and be selling to people. This is how it works. Look at the trending things around the world and customize a shirt, and before you know, you start selling and people buy from you. The beauty of this site is you're not spending a dime. The site will handle every work for you. All you need to do is customize your shirt, put it in your store here right on this site, and they will do the selling for you and you'll be doing the earning. The only thing you need to do is just to spend some few hours every day with your system and be designing some shirt, and they will handle the rest for you and you receive your pay. Now the beautiful thing about Printify is they hook you up with so many international online market. What I mean by that is international shopping mall, like e-commerce or shopping mall. You have Wahoo, you have Ecstasy, you have so many of them. Shopify. Now you hook your store up with them and you sell real good. Now first of all you need to do is you create an account with them. You come here, you start selling. Yeah, it's loading. Give it a few moments. Okay, we are here now. We are here right away. Okay, all right, that's my account there. But before you get to this section, you have to sign up. You come to sign up button. Sorry. Okay, let me log in from my account. Yes. Okay, make sure you click this, you're not a robot, and then boom. Okay, we are here now. Sign in. Yes, nice one. This is my account. Now these are all the shirts you are going to be customizing. You look at this, you have it here already. You see this, you see this, you see this, you see how they are hovering, you see this, you see this. Now you can customize any design of your choice. Any design, I mean any design on this shirt, and you sell them. You see, like this one. Now imagine you are selling this for $18 and you sell 1,000 pieces every blessed day. You know how much you're going to make, right? That's great. That's great. That's great. Now this is what you do after you open your account. You see this button here, connections. This is where you connect your Printify store to all those e-commerce shop, and people will see your goods from there and order them directly. Wow, that's great. That's beautiful. Okay, now I'll be logging out. Ooh, okay, I'm out now. Okay, for fresh sign up, all you need to do is you come here, you put a valid email address, choose a password, you click this and you sign up. They're going to be sending you a notification, a notification, a link to your email address. You open it and make sure you follow the instructions correctly and you sign up. Boom, you are online straight up and you start selling. Now you can make more than the expected amount every day. Imagine you're making $3,500 every day from this site. You know that's real good money, right? That's great. So all I want from you now is subscribe to our channel, like our videos, turn on the notification button, and make sure you watch our videos anytime we post, so that you have a first-hand information whenever we are posting money making video. Thank you. Have a nice time.